Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install and upgrade Progeasy software as well as top-up credits. First, this important web address is located in the Progeasy user manual.doc, http://47.88.60.176:59980/driver files. Open an internet browser and enter the web address displayed. Double-click on Driver Files directory. Double-click on ch340.rar and save as to your desktop. Open the desktop and double-click a ch340 driver to unpack the RAR file. When prompted, accept Unpacking Archive folder. Double-click Setup icon. Device driver install/uninstall window opens. Click Install. Driver install success displays when the installation is complete. Navigate to index page http://47.88.60.176. Installing Progeasy client software. Double-click the Progeasy client exe. Let's save the file to the desktop. The client software is now downloaded. Return to the desktop. Single right-click on the Progeasy client. Select Run as Administrator. Important note, Run as Administrator to open this software. Click on More Info icon when prompted. Then click on Run Anyway icon and click Next. Click Next to choose to add a desktop shortcut. Click Install. Now the software has been successfully installed. This completes the software installation. Now, Progeasy hardware operation. First, plug in the power adapter. Plug one end of the USB cable into Progeasy and plug the other end into the USB port of the computer. Insert a dongle for models required. Depress and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LCD screen lights up. The device is now booting successfully. You can see there's a firmware icon in the upper left-hand corner of the device. Touch the firmware icon. Now we can see the information about this device. The firmware version of this device is version 1.0.13. The dongle we inserted is TK1150, which has 20 credits. Now view the computer in the Progeasy window. Click on the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner of Progeasy. Click on Firmware Upgrade. We can see the firmware version of this device is 1.0.13, and most recent version is 1.0.14. At this point, we can upgrade the device directly by clicking Firmware Upgrade. After successfully upgrading, Firmware Upgrade Successfully will display. Turn to the device and touch the firmware icon on the left side of the screen to confirm the device firmware version. Upgrade to the latest version 1.0.14. Firmware is complete. Next are files. Return to the computer for file upgrades. Open the upper left drop-down menu. Select the Files upgrade. Prompt will appear. No need to update. Now select File Upgrade icon and try to update it again. If upgrade fails pops up on the device interface, touch anywhere on the screen and then update the device again. How to replenish credits. We click on the Order Center on the software interface. Your sales representative will provide your online account information. We will use a test account for this example. After Login Succeed message appears, we will demonstrate with a 7th generation Kyocera dongle refill. We can see that the dongle currently inserted is the TK150 with 20 credits. We'll select a credit order for Kyocera 7th Generation Series with 200 credits in the order number. Single click on this order, then click Charge. A pop-up window will display Place Order for credit replenishment. Please check and confirm if it is the required model before clicking OK. After Charge successfully displays, return to the Order Center menu. We can see that the credit amount has increased to 220, indicating 200 credits have been recharged successfully. Returning to the device, we can see the TK1150 credit amount has changed from 20 to 220, indicating 200 credits have been recharged successfully.